Our topic for today is factoring the form x squared plus bx plus c, provided that this trinomial square is factorable by binomial, two binomial. So from FOIL sample, we have quantity x plus 2 times quantity x plus 4. Using FOIL, we have x times x is x squared, and x times 4 is 4x. Then 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 4 is 8. So we can combine this one. We have x squared. Combine this one. 4x and 2x is 6x plus 8. And we reverse the process. We are going to find the factors of x squared plus 6x plus 8. Suppose we don't know the factors. So first, x squared has no coefficient, so this is understood to have a coefficient of 1. So this is equal to x times x, and we have to provide the number here. Then we are going to find the factors of 8. So that will give the sum of 6. So first we have 8. 1 factors of 8 is 1 times 8 is 8. But if you add this one, 1 plus 8 is 9. So this is not equal to 6. And then we have here the factors of 8 as 2 times 4 is 8. And if you are going to add this one, 2 plus 4 is 6. So we have here 6. So the factors of x squared plus 6x plus 8 is 2 and 4. So that is 2 and 4. So the factors of x squared plus 6x plus 8 is quantity x plus 2 times quantity x plus 4. Another example is x squared plus 4x minus 21. So this is coefficient of 1. So we have x times x, provide the factors for here and here. So we focus on the factors of negative. This is negative 21. So we have a positive and a negative factors. Since this is a positive one for x, this is a positive plus. So we are going to find the factors of 4. So we are going to find the factors of negative 21, that if you add, it will give a sum of 4. So since this is positive, so the positive must be greater than the negative. So we have here the numbers 21. The surest possible factors of 21 is 7 times negative 3 is negative 21. And if you add this one or minus, since this is negative, so 7 minus 3 is 4. So coincide with this number here. So the factors of x squared plus 4x minus 21 is quantity x plus 7 times quantity x minus 3. 7 is greater, 7 is positive and 3 is negative. If you subtract them, we have the middle term 4x. Suppose we have here x squared minus 4x minus 21. So since we have now a minus here, so we are going to find the factors of 21 that if you add will give a sum of negative 4. So again, we have here x times x and provide the number here. So from the factors of 21, since this is negative, 4x is negative, so we have negative 3, and then we have here 3 which is positive and 7 is now the negative. So if you multiply this one, this is 21, but if you add this one, 3 minus or subtract, since opposite sign, so 3 minus 7 is negative 4. So negative 4. So the factors of x squared minus 4x minus 21 is quantity x plus 3 and x minus 7. Since this is negative, 7 is minus or negative and this is plus. You just have to determine here the factors of the last term that if you add will give the sum of the middle term. Another example is x squared plus 2x minus 24. So we have no coefficient for the x squared, so this is assumed to have or considered to have a coefficient of 1. So the factors x times x, and focus on the factors of negative 24. If we are going to use the factors of 24, we have here 24, negative 24, and one factors of negative 24 is 8 times negative 3 is negative 24. But if you add this one, we have 8 plus negative 3. This is minus, so we have here 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. So this is not equals to 2. But another factors of negative 24 is 6 times negative 4 is equals to negative 24. And if you are going to add or subtract this one, since opposite sign, 6 minus 4 is 2. Now you have 2 here, so the factors of x squared plus 2x minus 24 is x times quantity x plus 6 times x minus 4. So this is how to determine the factors of a trinomial, provided that this the trinomial can be factored in with binomials.